So today was the High Court hearing for two actions. One was by the UKM student Ashik, another by the UM4 led by Anis. Essentially what this case is about is that the five of them participated in the Tangkap MO1 rally sometime in August last year. And for their participation, the university had initiated disciplinary proceedings against them, resulting in suspension and fines. So I think for UM, they've taken out the suspension. For UKM, there's still a 1-month suspension there. So these proceedings is a challenge against the regulations that were used to initiate those proceedings. Those regulations, in very short words, say that you cannot do anything that brings disrepute to the university. So the main issue today was whether or not those regulations can be used in a manner to preclude the fundamental rights of the students. Because so far, no criminal court has found Ashik, Anis or the other students to have violated any criminal law. So the exercise of right is still a lawful right. So that was the main issue before the court. We were heard for about, I think, almost 2 hours or so. One of the main arguments raised by the universities was that there was a wrong procedure to commence the proceedings. There was a PO raised. And on the substantive principles, the university's argument in essence was that they are entitled to regulate the conduct of students outside the universities as far as those conduct can bring disrepute to the universities. So essentially, it boils down to how you interpret the regulations and on whether or not we should uphold Article 10 of the Constitution that allows students to express themselves and to assemble peacefully outside the campus. But just to be clear, we are not saying that the university is not entitled to do things inside campus. This action is purely outside campus. Inside campus, we accept university can do things to regulate conduct of students because there's a private element there. But the moment the student goes outside the campus, he's a citizen like anyone else. Students are above 18, they're entitled to any other right as adults are entitled to. So it's not right for the university to be controlling the acts of students outside the campus. That was the argument. So the judge has fixed the decision date on 11th of July at 9 AM.